From the level selection menu, you can select different things to view. This is the simple 2D particle system demo, and this is the advanced 2D particle system demo, which has a lot more going on. Just look at those particles move. And up next, this is the UI windowing system demo. You can see there are a bunch of buttons. There's a slider, a gauge bar, checkboxes, radio buttons, a text box, and even a virtual keyboard. And these are all different components that can be added to the games that you create. And there are also a bunch of window instances that can be added. Just look at that. And you'll notice that there's the logic FPS and the resync FPS towards the bottom, and FPS stands for frames per second.
We have already developing a library of generic components needed in any type of game engine, such as the DLL and module management, input and controller handling, virtual file systems, diagnostic support, and the UI framework with basic controls. In the demonstration, the first screen you'll briefly see is the initial self-test, which checks all the game's files and scripts for issues before starting the game. In this screen, the palette system and line drawing is demonstrated, with this recreation of a popular screensaver. The color changes are achieved by remapping the system's palette instead of changing the drawing color. The UI system and controller support are shown here, with the UI system drawing a window in which the analog stick axes are rendered via horizontal sliders and the buttons are shown via highlighted labels.